Here's I'll show you the exact way to recover unsaved Premiere Pro project. So my project name is Dummy, and now I'm going to exit my Premiere Pro without unsave. And now let's see how to recover unsaved projects. Go to your file explorer and just click on this PC. Now click on search this PC and type here auto save, and here as a search result you will find Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. All you have to need is just open this folder, and in this folder here you will find all of your unsaved Premiere Pro projects. Just find out the project which one you want to recover. So my project name was Dummy, so here's my project. Just double clicking on my project and the project will open in Premiere Pro in just a few seconds. As you can see, I've successfully recovered my unsaved project.